뷰티랑 맞아.
Just to keep it real, when you came from the bottom, you don't know how it feels. I'll be down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. When I'm down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. I ain't gotta do no fake shit just to keep it real. When you came from the bottom, you don't know how it feels. I'll be down to my last, I ain't handing out deals.
Terrifying, transporter. Look, I can make it to a $500,000 if I touch a half a key. Be careful, I have to be. Half my squad gone, so half my niggas backing me. That's cause when I was gone, them niggas turned their backs on me. I did half my time, almost lost half my mind. Made a home a pre-release, but still did a half a dime. Had to have a plan, started off with half a grand. Gave his ass half a clip, now was asked half a man. He ain't send me shit when I asked for half a man. Now a nigga on the bricks and he like, that's my man.
They put in half the work, like they took a half a perk. Came back with like half the money, now he put his ass in dirt. We gon' run down, run till the sun down. Yeah, I was a savage, now I got a lot of guns down. And now they losing time, niggas wanna cross the line, knowing that they really broke, make a nigga lose his mind. And then he go to jail and do a bit and miss his mom. The system really fucked up, it's crazy, that's the fucking problem. They tryna keep us down, but I'ma go and lift it up. I got a lot of faith in my niggas, we ain't giving up. No fake shit, just to keep it real. When you came from the bottom, you don't know how it feels. I'll be down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. When I'm down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. I ain't gotta do no fake shit, just to keep it real. When you came from the bottom, you don't know how it feels. I'll be down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. When I'm down to my last, I ain't handing out deals.
Down to my last, I ain't had shit. Thinking to myself like when the fuck I'm having. Mama stressing about them bills, I got myself a ratchet. Now I'm thinking to myself like when we gonna have shit. Posted on that block, trapping with a pistol. Niggas talk that gangsta shit, but they don't want no issues. I was really fucked up, didn't have $1 till my name rapping and I'm snapping. I don't even do it for the fame, I do it cause this shit is my passion. Proper preparation got me dedicated when it comes to this rapping. Late nights I was fucked up, I was turned up, I savage. RIP the savage, wherever you my bro, we was snapping. I still see your brother Mark, he be hustling, crafting. Having conversations about you every time we in traffic. Make the best out of things for all the time we was trapping. This the shit we talked about, so this the reason I'm rapping.
Every dollar that I make, I'm doing nothing but stacking. Gotta make sure mama good, I gotta make that shit happen. Gotta go and keep a poll in case they think that I'm lacking. And they tryna smoke a nigga thinking that the assassin. No fake shit just to keep it real. When you came from the bottom, you don't know how it feels. I'll be down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. When I'm down to my last, I ain't handing out deals. I ain't gotta do no fake shit just to keep it real.